Hello guys, welcome back. So today let's learn how to play the music part of Vaseegara or Zara Zara song. So this one will be an easy tutorial, so I hope you guys will be able to play this one easily. And the notation, you guys can get it from my WhatsApp channel. I will upload it to my channel, link in the description. So I will show you which part that I'm going to teach you today, and I will teach you how to play it by line. Okay, so I'm using my A bass flute. You guys can use any flute that you have, and the part goes like this. So now let's learn how to play this one line by line. Okay, so first line goes like this. Ga 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 ma ga re sa ni. Once again, ga 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 ma ga re sa ni. No sharp notes, no flat notes, only shuddh ones. Okay, and only natural notes, so it's easy to play. Starting from ga, once again, ga 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 ma ga re sa ni. Then ne sa re ga re sa ni da. Try to play as I sing, as I spell it. Okay, ne sa re ga re sa ni dha. Ne sa re ga re sa ni da. One more time. Ne sa re ga re sa ni da. And then da sa ga 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 pa ga re sa ni. Dha sa ga 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 pa ga re sa ni. And then as the second line we played before. Ne sa re ga re sa ni da. Ne sa re ga re sa ni dha. And then da sa re re re. Da sa re re re. Ga pa da ni da. Ga pa da ni da. Okay, and then pa ma ga. Easy. Pa ma ga. Sorry, pa ma ga. Then ma ga re ga ma. It goes like this. Ma ga re ga ma. You need to play re ga very fast to get that. Ma ga re ga ma re sa ni. Listen carefully. Ma ga re ga ma re sa ni. And that's how you play the music part of Vaseegara song. So I hope you guys will be able to play this one after watching this video. If you guys find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit a like. So see you guys in next time in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practice. Thank you for watching.